Stellantis has announced plans to manufacture a hybrid version of its 500e small electric car at the Mirafiori plant in Turin, Italy, due to a global slowdown in electric vehicle sales. This decision follows discussions with union representatives seeking increased production at Fiat's historic home. The factory, currently producing the fully electric 500e, has faced reduced production rates and extended worker furloughs. The hybrid 500e production is set to commence in early 2026 with an annual target output of 200,000 units, including 125,000 hybrids. This move is part of a broader strategy to strengthen relations with the Italian government and boost the country's vehicle production to 1 million units by 2030. Additionally, Stellantis will produce a hybrid Jeep Compass in Melfi and extend the production of the hybrid Fiat Panda in Pomigliano.